My name's Whitfield and I work for the Borough of Poole, and my technical title is Civil Engineering Technician, although I work specifically with flood and coastal erosion risk management. I think the work that I do helps the people of Poole and protects them from flood risk both now and in the future. So we like to work with all our residents and we work closely with Wessex Water as well as the Environment Agency, and we just completed a scheme that will stop residents' properties flooding both now and in the future, and also keeps the highways clear so people can move about the borough at ease, and that they will. And Wessex Water use the Innovyze suite of software, so it was a no-brainer to be able to work alongside them more closely that we would use a similar software. And when the Flood and Water Management Act came out, it was decided that we would keep all those sorts of skills in-house. So we looked to purchase the Innovyze suite of software. For us, that meant Infonet at the time, which is now InfoAsset, which helped us to make a big database of all our flood risk assets throughout the conurbation. We also had Infonet Mobile, and that enabled us to go out in the field and actually record all our assets that we needed to that were significant to flood risk. And then we had the InfoWorks ICM package, and for us that was invaluable to actually feed the InfoAsset network database information into the modelling software to be able to then look at what we think is happening now, if the asset information that we have is correct, but also what might happen in the future in terms of then going on to build schemes, design schemes, and see if those schemes will work. So we've used that extensively, as well as then the additional risk analysis information that helped us build our business cases that we submit to the Environment Agency for flood defence granting aid. The Innovyze suite of software has really enabled us to start a project, look at all the options and then select the best option, both in terms of what's going to happen in terms of flooding and how much that might cost in terms of the risk analysis, so the cost benefit side of things. So we're able to actually write all our own business cases with ease, so it's proved invaluable, and I know the Environment Agency have been so impressed with what we've been able to achieve using the software, as you know, in terms of actually producing those business cases. We've also managed to work with our planners, and we've been able to support them in some of the statutory documents that they need to produce. So recently it's been the Strategic Flood Risk Assessment document. Previously we've had consultants produce that suite of information and that document, but this time we've done it in-house with assistance with our planners. So that's been really good, and that forms part of our local plan, which is a statutory document again that's now been adopted for the next 5 years. The thing I would say about using Innovyze is it is easy to use, and the more experience you get in using it, the easier it is to use. And the suite of packages is just phenomenal, and the things that you can do with it are just incredible. And we've used the suite to do lots of different things, so it doesn't have to just be for one particular project. As a local authority, we work across all sorts of different departments, from emergency planning to strategic land use planning to highway maintenance, gully clearing, ditch clearance, asset maintenance, management, scheduling, all sorts of things within our asset, InfoAsset and InfoAsset Mobile and our ICM packages. And the fact that they all interlink has just been invaluable to us as a local authority.